As some of you may know who have been coming to see me for treatment, I often say that the enemy of the body is inflammation.
On the Dexcom G7 glucose monitor, I set my range at 70%. So near enough every single day I'm hitting my targets, where pre-September I was struggling because of the inflammation before I started the calculator, and now it's like I'm staying between 4.5 and 10.5 all the way through the day, near enough every day.
Brilliant.
Imagine a world where chronic ailments like rheumatoid arthritis and diabetes are no longer life sentences. Matthew Brownell's CalClear nutritional supplement might just be turning that dream into reality. The latest breakthrough? Darren, a patient grappling with both conditions, has witnessed a remarkable transformation. His rheumatoid factors, once peaking at 24.8, have plummeted to a mere 10, but that's not all. As a diabetic, Darren's daily insulin intake has also seen a significant reduction. Behind these numbers lies a story of regained freedom and improved quality of life. Soon you'll hear directly from Darren in an eye-opening discussion with Matthew Brownell himself. They delve into the profound impact CalClear has had, not just on Darren's health, but his everyday life. And Darren's story is just one of many. Stay tuned for more inspiring testimonies from those who found a new lease on life with CalClear. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with CalClear and who knows? The next story of remarkable recovery could be yours. It is amazing too.
This synergy of Solomon's seal, coral calcium, all the minerals, and broccoli extract or sulforaphane has been incredible for my practice. When he came to see me several months back, he was really struggling with his health. He had a walking stick. I was very surprised to see him that way, and we had a meeting. At the end, I just said to him, "Oh Steve, have a pack of these CalClear, because obviously I can see your knee is a problem and you've got the walking stick." But just a few days later, Steve, without having a treatment, he just took the product CalClear, was ringing me up saying, "Matt, what's in this product? I feel amazed." And I saw him just a week or two later, and he wasn't using his walking stick. His knee was better, and he was telling me all about how his knee pain went away within days. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly emphasize that you can take CalClear just on its own. You don't need to be having the treatment of the muscle alignment technique. Start off on, say, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, then go to 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. And if you can, depending on your condition, you can go 3 and 3. So I'm going to leave you with this second part of the testimonial now, and then you'll hear one of my clients speaking about how it turned his condition around, and that has scientifically been measured. The doctors have seen these dramatic changes. It's reduced his what we call the RF factor by more than half. So with that being said, I started this talk with the problem with the body is inflammation. That's one of the main issues. And to help alleviate that, I have created a technique called the muscle alignment technique. And the best fuel I have found over the years is a combination of nutrients I call CalClear. Now CalClear has 3 main ingredients: coral calcium, Solomon's seal, and broccoli extract. So this is an update from Darren, who had a couple of conditions and ailments. I'm just going to go over what they were. What was the main ailment and condition you would like to talk about today?
The main condition was my left hip. I had to have an arthroscopy and a label tear on that in November 22. Since then, I've been just exercising to get it right. I've been on CalClear since September of last year. Everything is levelled out now. I can do 40+ miles on the bike, no pain. Lying in bed on that side, no pain at all. Sleeping better. Concentration's a lot better. I've just started a new role at Tesco's where I'm bending and twisting and on the floor stacking shelves and stuff I get no pain at all through the hip or anywhere else.
And the exciting news today was you actually had evidence of these changes, didn't you? You had some...
Yeah, my blood test before my hip surgery for the rheumatoid factor was 24.8, and I had the same blood test done 2 months ago, and that rheumatoid factor was down to 10. So all that inflammation is just non-existent now. It's gone down to the calculator what's helped me.
Now you can move better. There's a certain set of movements that you can.
I've got more movement there. I can all the way down.
I mean,
all the way. I couldn't do anything like that before I'd started seeing that on the sessions, and the calculator helps brilliantly. 2 in the morning, 2 at night, and if I'm going biking, I'll take maybe 3 in the morning just to give it a bit of a kickstart. But yeah, no pain at all through my hip.
Yeah.
And, so.
Brilliant. That's great. Thanks for that, Darren.
Much
appreciated. Again. So explain what you know about the inflammation in your body doing what?
Inflammation in the body can cause insulin resistance. So in my case, I wear an insulin pump, and since being on the calculator, my insulin intake across 3 days on how long my pump lasts, I'm probably using 50% less from what I was using pre-September before getting on the calculator, and the calculator dispersing the inflammation.
Brilliant. And then obviously that's all been documented, hasn't it?
Yeah. On a Dexcom G7 glucose monitor, I set my range at 70%. So near enough every single day I'm hitting my targets, where pre-September I was struggling because of the inflammation before I started the calculator, and now it's like I'm staying between 4.5 and 10.5 all the way through the day, near enough every day.
Brilliant. And I hope you try calculator. And by the way, your first order, you're going to get 1 pack free. So your very first order, you buy one, and I'm going to send you another pack free.